Good morning, children. Today we are going to Unit 9 Linear Equations from RD. Exercise 9.1, page 9.5. Solve and also verify your solution. Solve and check. So I am going to fifth sum from exercise 9.1. 2x by 3 minus 3x by 8 is equal to 7 by 12. 2x by 3 minus 3x by 8 is equal to 7 by 12. How to solve this equation? So in LHS we are having two terms, 2x by 3 and 3x by 8. So first I am going to solve LHS. 3 and 8. How to solve unlike numbers? So LCM will be 24. 3 8s are 8 2s are 16x minus 8 3s are 24. 3 3s are 9x. That is equal to 7 by 12. 16x minus 9x is how much? 7x. 7x by 24 is equal to 7 by 12. 7x by 24 means divided by 24. When it is going to opposite side becomes multiplication. So this is going that side. 7x is equal to 7 into 24 by 12. 24 is going that side. So 7 into 24 by 12. 12 ones are 12 twos are. So how much you will get? 7x is equal to 7 twos are 14. Therefore, x is equal to 14 by 7, that is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. You are also asked to check your answer. You are also asked to check your answer. So now I am going to substitute this in LHS. What is LHS given? 2x by 3 minus 3x by 8. In LHS I am going to substitute x is equal to 2. So 2x, 2 into 2 by 3 minus 3 into 2 by 8. This what happens? 2 2s are 4 by 3 minus 3 by 4. 4 by 3 minus 3 by 4. How to subtract? Again LCM 12. 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16 minus 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9. 16 minus 9 is how much? 7. So 7 by 12. What is RHS? RHS you were given as 7 by 12. LHS you got 7 by 12. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Hence it is verified. So 2x by 3 minus 3x by 8 is equal to 7 by 12. 2x by 3 minus 3x by 8 are different denominators. So take LCM and then for simplified LHS you will get x value. You are asked to verify also verify your solution. So in LHS only you have a variable x. So substitute x is equal to 2 in LHS. You are getting 7 by 12. RHS is also given as 7 by 12. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Hence it is verified. Now I am going to next sum, seventh sum. X by 2 minus 4 by 5 plus x by 5 plus 3x by 10 is equal to 1 by 5. X by 2 minus 4 by 5 plus x by 5 plus 3x by 10 is equal to 1 by 5. See, in RD you will have big equations. Now how to solve this? In LHS you are having variables and a constant also. This constant will go to opposite side. So what happens now? What is left over in LHS? X by 2 is left over plus x by 5 plus 3x by 10 is equal to, in RHS you are having 1 by 5. This minus 4 by 5 is coming from LHS. So this becomes plus 4 by 5. Now simplify. 2, 5, 10. Denominators are different. So LCM becomes what? 10. I am showing you directly. You have done so many sums. So LCM and all you can do in your own way. 2 5s are 5 into x is 5x plus 5 2s are 10. 2 into x is 2x plus 10 1s are 1 into 3x is 3x is equal to, this is what, same denominators. So add only the numerators. 5 by 5 or 1. So this how much? 5x plus 2x plus 3x is 10x. 10x by 10 is equal to 5 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 10 ones are 10. Therefore, x is equal to how much? 1. X by 2 minus 4 by 5 plus x by 5 plus 3x by 10 is equal to 1 by 5. From LHS variable is going to, from LHS this constant is going to RHS. You can't take all variables that side and constant this side. The easiest way is only this constant will go to the opposite side. Like this, x by 2 plus x by 5 plus 3x by 10. This is coming from opposite side, so becomes plus 4 by 5. LCM is 10 because different denominators you have. So therefore x is equal to 1. Now you have to check your solution. That means when you substitute x is equal to 1 in LHS, you are going to get 1 by 5. So LHS I am verifying. In LHS I am going to substitute x is equal to 1. So x by 2 minus 4 by 5 plus x by 5 plus 3x by 10. Now x is equal to 1. So this becomes 1 by 2 minus 4 by 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 3 into 1 is 3 by 10. Now add all these. The easy and direct method is find the LCM of all the denominators. If not, these two have the same denominators, you can add this first. That means minus 4 plus 1 becomes minus 3 by 5. In that way also you can do. But I am doing directly. LCM is 10. 2 5s are, 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 2 4s are 8. Plus 5 2s are 10. 2 1s are 2. 10 1s are 10. 1 3s are 3. Is equal to how much? 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 2 by 10 is equal to how much? 2 1s are, 2 5s are, that is 1 by 5. In RHS what is given to you in the question? 1 by 5. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. LHS you got 1 by 5 and RHS is also given as 1 by 5. Hence your solution is checked. Next question. Next I am going to 9th sum. 2x minus 1 by 3 minus 6x minus 2 by 5 is equal to 1 by 3. 2x minus 1 by 3 is equal to 6x minus 2 by 5 is equal to 1 by 3. Whenever you have minus like this, minus x minus 2, that means this whole thing should be taken as negative, not only minus 6. So that's why you keep a bracket like this. When you put a bracket like this, you will not make a mistake. Now simplify LHS. 3 by 5, 3 and 5 the denominators. So LCM is what? 15. 3 5s are 15. 5 into 2x minus 1. 3 5s are 5 into 2x minus 1 is numerator. Minus 5 3s are 15. So 3 into 6x minus 2 is equal to 1 by 3. Now multiply this. How to do? 5 into 2x. 5 2s are 10x minus 5 1s are 5 minus 3 into 6x. So minus into plus becomes minus. 3 6 are 18x. Minus into minus becomes plus. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6 by 15 is equal to 1 by 3. Now simplify this. 10x minus 18x. These are like terms. So you can't subtract 10x minus 5. 10x minus 18x is minus 8x. Minus 5 plus 6 is plus 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by 3. So this 15 will go to that side. Here it is division. When it goes to opposite side becomes multiplication. So what do you get? Minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 15 is going that side. So 15 by 3. 3 ones are 3 5s are. Minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 5. So now transpose. Minus 8x is equal to, this is going that side, 5 minus 1. So minus 8x is equal to 4. Therefore x is equal to how much? Minus 4 by 8. 4 ones are 4 twos are. So x is equal to minus 1 by 2. X value we got as minus 1 by 2. Now I am going to substitute this in LHS. So LHS, what only in LHS you have a variable. So LHS what is given? 2x minus 1 by 3 minus 6x minus 2 by 5. X is equal to 1 by 2 given. You got minus 1 by 2. So this is 2 into minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Nothing I am doing, just I am substituting x as x value as minus 1 by 2. 2 into x, 2 into 1 by minus 1 by 2 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 6 into minus 1 by 2 minus 2 divided by 5. So what happens? This 2 will go. Minus 1 becomes minus 2 by 3. Then this is 2 3s are 6 minus. So this is minus 3 minus 2 by 5. 6 into minus 1 by 2. 2 3s are. So this becomes 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 minus 2. Minus 3 minus 2 is how much? So minus 2 by 3 minus. This is minus 3 minus 2 becomes minus 5 by 5. That can be taken as 1. Or again if you take 1 then you need to find the LCM. So I am not doing that. Now what happens? Minus 2 by 3. This minus of minus becomes plus 5 by 5. LCM is 15, or you can take, if you take 1 you will get LCM 3. 3 minus 10, 3 5s are 15, 5 2s are 10 plus 5 3s are 15, 3 5s are 15, that is 5 by 15 you will get. 5 1s are 5 3s are 1 by 3, or this you can do as minus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 5 can be taken as 1, 3 is LCM, minus 2 plus 3 is 1 by 3. Directly you will get 1 by 3. RHS is given 1 by 3. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. So, X value you got as how much? Minus 1 by 2. In LHS only you have variable X. So, substitute X is equal to minus 1 by 2 in LHS. When you do all this, you are getting 1 by 3, which is equals to RHS, because RHS is given as 1 by 3. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. And today's homework is, exercise 9.1, 2, 3, 4 sums you have to do in your RD notes. RD notes. See, in the beginning of the year only we have told you that you got 4 books for maths. 1 for classwork, 1 for homework, 1 for exclusively for RD problems, and 1 for fair notes. So, RD problems, all classwork and homework you have to do in only 1 book only. But whenever you are doing classwork, you put the heading classwork, and whenever you are doing homework, just you put heading HW and carry on in one notebook only.